Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem codes and grow a garden. Wondering how to redeem codes and grow a garden? It's super simple. Just open the game and look for the cogwheel icon near your backpack or inventory. That's the settings menu. And there, you'll see the redeem codes option. To use it, grab an active code, usually shared by the developer on your socials, type it in, hit redeem. If the code's valid, you'll get a reward instantly. If not, it just won't work. Right now, codes are a bit rare. Jandal, the developer, even mentioned he kind of forgot about the feature, but recently, he said he plans to add more soon. So keep an eye out for updates, and that's all you need to know on how you can redeem codes and grow a garden. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.